Still wondering why storytelling is so important? Well, let's see. When your grannies told you stories, did you know that you were learning languages? Yes, storytelling encourages learning languages. And the list just goes on. Problem solving, creativity, inculcating thinking on your feet, and of course, imagination. So, yes, let's start. Here are a series of videos which tells you how to create your own stories with a few handful stimulus. The first in this series is going to be the stimulus of having given the first line of the story and the last line of the story. The rest I leave it to you to fill up with your imagination. Let's begin. The first line of the story is, "Oh, I'm scared of soft toys." And the last line of the story is, "Oh, that's all it is." And helping us are a few young storytellers who will tell us samples of stories. And a secret, if you are a parent or a teacher, do not look for logic. Let the children's imagination soar high. I hope you enjoy the videos.
Hello everyone, my name is Athulith. I am studying in 6th grade and now I'll tell you a story. Raghav and his Fear, written by Athulith. Raghav was a boy who feared soft toys. He thought there is a ghost in it. That's what made it soft. One day he was playing with his remote controlled helicopter. The helicopter was out of his control and tore a soft toy's hand. He thought a ghost would come out and harm him. He slowly went near it. He saw what is inside it. There was cotton in it. He saw cotton and said, "Oh, that's all it is. I was scared of cotton." Thank you.